Toshiba was from the very beginning strongly aware of the need for standards. One of the founders of Toshiba was a member of the committee that led to the official inauguration of the IEC in London in 1906. But while the need for standards was clear, the importance of international standards was only understood in Japan once many companies started to go abroad, some 20 or 30 years ago. Before then, Japanese companies focused mainly on the home market, and they were able to do business without complying with international standards. But when companies wanted to do business in other countries, they quickly realized they couldn't sell their technologies because they weren't able to communicate and connect with others internationally. That's also where my own awareness of international standards dramatically changed. Now, more recently, smart communities are being built around the globe, and the need for standardization is further increasing. Companies need to innovate, standardize, and then develop their business while continuing to innovate. That's how business flows. I think there's a competitive relationship between standardization and intellectual property. I can fully understand if a company wants to internally retain the technology they have developed. But with this approach, such a technology may not be widely used, and eventually another technology, possibly even an inferior one, developed by a different company, could become the global standard. Therefore, if you have developed something good, then it makes sense for it to be standardized so that this technology can be widely spread and used, and in a very real sense. I think this is how business should be conducted. Originally, Toshiba was a manufacturer. We produced and then sold our products. Today, things have fundamentally changed. We're not just making and selling products or components. We're integrating them into larger systems and then offering services such as maintenance and repair. And because today, a system is created by many companies working together, standardization becomes absolutely essential. Without it, it wouldn't be possible to collaborate. The future world is a place where various companies will cooperate on increasingly large systems. If you have good technologies, you need to make certain that others can connect with them and use them. If you don't participate in standardization, then your technologies may not be able to spread. It may be difficult for your company to cooperate with others on these large systems. I believe we all need to contribute to standardization to be able to work together in the future.
一緒にやっていきましょうというふうに言いたいと思います。